ang HP, iba-burn lang ng Chango to. Iba-burn niya lahat, especially if she gets the item. But man, looking at the last few picks, Rafaela,
side lane Chango, no? Off lane Gatot, side lane Chango, tapos or side lane Carmilla.
Side lane Chango.
No?
Support Carmilla, Rafaela. Para sa Black.
Carmilla Rafaela yung kakapares dito ng YSS natin. Well, the final pick would be the Elcart. That is quite expected actually mula sa side ng Next Play Solid, especially with this squishes being presented here. To go 2-0 on this, I'm also putting my vote on Next Play here. But I'm really looking forward what Blacklist has prepared.
Yeah, mukhang preparado ng malupit yung Blacklist dito, Shinbu. Ang taas ng damage output nila in the early game and ang bilis din nila. They are ready for the aggressiveness na ihahatid dito ng Next Play Solid. Again, with the movement speed na meron ang Rafaela, it is a good combination with the movements na kailangan gawin ng Carmilla dito. So, both of the teams, actually, magkaiba yung startup. Blacklist International now giving full clip his orange buff para makakuha kagad siya ng levels. And interestingly, Kuya Shinbu, si Eson nila. Ngayon,
binigay nila yung level 2 kagad para kay Dexter dito, no? You can actually see the rotation of full clip here along with Eson. They just went for the buff directly, no? And just allow for Dexter to maintain the lane or in the mid. And that's it, no? Lito Wanderer. So it's a very safe rotation here para sa Blacklist, prioritizing and quickly rushing for the buff. Now, ang pag-uusapan natin dito siguro yung timers niyan, no? Na nabase na Next Play Solid down for the second turtle fight. And for the first turtle fight.
Mamaya magkakaalaman yan, especially kapag papasok na ulit yung orange buff at 2 minutes, around 43 seconds. Pero mind you, Kuya Shinbu, the vision control, again, from the Mountain Shocker is way too much for Next Play. They don't want this. Nakita na kagad din na full clip. Nasaan manggagaling dito? Si Kupra, si paring Yawi na nasa baba.
Nakapwesto na si Yawi. Yun ang pabundol, mga kaibigan. Bouncing ball kagad, tol. Burns the traceless mula dito kay full clip. And here comes Chester. Trap yata dito ng ating Carmilla. Pero makunat yung Carmilla. That's it. Still no casualty.
Look at the mind games, Kuya Shinbu. They know na doon manggagaling si Yawi after the few moments ng Mountain Shocker. They know na doon siya manggagaling sa bandang Tribush. Doon sa bandang baba. In-expect nila actually, they want to contest it. Alam nila na papasok si Yawi doon sa crab coin take. But unfortunately, walang nakuha ang Next Play Solid. Kung hindi aware yung Blacklist doon, probably that was a pick off para sa Next Play.
And it's a very bad mistake from Aqua. That's quite uncalled for. Kasi face check talaga yon, anong napakalinis. It got cash in quick by Next Play Solid.
Yun yung magiging dilemma ni Aqua dito. Like what we've said, masyadong malambot ang Chang'o and masyadong malambot ang Carmilla. And easy reach dito yung wolf form ni H2O. Speaking of reach,
tsaka ito, tol, grabe talaga. Pag nakakuha ng lead kaagad, mga membro dito ng Next Play Solid, manggugulpin-gulat na yan. Bumakap si Dexter dito, but even that is not enough to sustain the Carmilla.
Kahit nagkaroon sana ng failed attempt ang Next Play Solid sa baba, sabi nila, why not? Pwede naman natin i-transition yon sa taas, ay dito sa kabilang side, na pwede naman. Fortunately, nagkaroon pa sila ng turtle.
Oh, beautiful thought there by Edward. Was 2-man, followed up kagad ni Dexter dito. Buti na lang, hindi ganun panghapdi si full clip. Nagkakaulian din mga tol. There's gonna be a stun towards MB. Another thought kay Edward, gets torched back by the flame shot. Ay, farm missiles mula kay Xbox.
Kailangan respetuhin dito na Next Play Solid yung combo ng Gatot Kacha and ng Carmilla. Paring Shinbu, there you go. That is the Mountain Shocker again.
Last Insanity na binurn din dito ni MB. Binati sila kagad ng Meteor Shower. Next are gonna be going down. There goes for the Basim. Eso naman sa may pinakalikod, masyadong malalim. That's it. 2-4 na in exchange for the turtle.
Sabi dito ng Blacklist International, ayaw natin ibigay ang kahit anong objective sa Next Play Solid. But I think that was a worth trade para sa Next Play Solid. Bakit? Ayun, nakita nyo ngayon doon sa inyong mga screen. But before we talk about that, let's look at the Gillette Instant Replay. Masyadong malalim si Eson dito on boxing out. He did not expect, again, the damage right there. And mas naging worth it pa yun sa next play, even though they didn't got the turtle. They got kills, dalawa, and na-open up yung top lane. Mapapwersa ngayon ang ibang members ng Blacklist dito dumepensa sa top.
And they could start cornering Aqua dito, pero buti na lang bintawang kagad din ni Aqua yung kanyang Meteor Shower. Aimed that for the minion wave. Dahil hindi nagdadodge yung minion wave. And makes it awkward for the dive dito ng NXP.
Mataas ang clear actually dito ng Blacklist International because of this Chango pick. At sabi nila dito, Shinbu, sige, kailangan na rin natin gumalaw. May damage si full clip. They know na mag-isa si Yawi dito. Kaya
alam nila mag-initiate si Yawi doon na medyo tasyado, mga tol. And now they might cash in their second turn for this game. MB does what he can to go for the wave clear. Last Insanity. Once again, malayo-layo pa naman yung minion wave. Para dito sa baba, ginagawa dito ng Blacklist International. Now they're overstaying there.
Yeah.
And every second counts sa laro.
Actually, Kuya Shinbu, mas pinili nila mag-overstay kasi ayaw nilang mag-react sa ginagawa ng Next Play Solid. Si H2 at si Rene J ay nasa top lane, forcing Blacklist International to back off. Makikita mo yung risky na ginawang ultimate ni MB doon para takutin, para sindakin yung Blacklist. Pero sabi ng Blacklist, hindi nyo kami pwedeng sindakin. Kami ang maninindak. Ang taas ng movement speed namin, even though malambot kami bago pa kayo makalapit, pwedeng bawasan na kayo. And nagkakaroon na ngayon ng items. For sure, itong Blacklist International, Shinbu.
Totoo yan. Maganda yung bagay na bawasan na kayo kasi alam mo yun, it makes the engagement awkward. Pero alam mo yun, when things go south for Next Play Solid, titigil ka lang kay H2. Tapos kapag okay si H2, di ka mag-aalala. Predator strike na ginawa dito ni Chester ngayon. Tangent, papunta sa may turtle, Yawing malalim. Pumompiang na lang para sa ultimate bago pa siya matuluyan. Nakagib si Eson dyan. Reposition dito mga membro ngayon ng Blacklist International. That's gonna be the 5-man ultimate ng ating Hellcurt. Sinecure na lamang yung turtle. Then, kaagad dito ni H2.
Napakagandang bait mula kay Edward dito. Nagulo yung focus fire ng Next Play Solid. Are they going to engage the turtle or not? That was a defensive feathered airstrike for Chester, which is actually, I think, Blacklist International won that trade. With that, nagkaroon na ng items ngayon. Ang Blacklist, glowing wand na dito si Aqua, even though siya yung unang namatay kanina, with the help din ng Mystery Shop. Shinbu, it seems like, sabi ng Blacklist International, ayaw naming magpadikta. Kami ang magdidikta ng laban. Kanina pa sumusubok ang Next Play dito ng mga pang-psycho nila all throughout the map. Pero, again, with the help of the Mountain Shocker, nababasa kaagad ng Next Play ng Blacklist International yung next move ng Next Play Solid.
Yes, tol. Things are getting even. Actually, I was thinking that Next Play has better control nung laro just by looking at H2. Pero si Full Clip, tol, hindi na siya shutdown.
Hindi talaga.
He's just playing fundamentally din. As in, napaka-basic lang. No high risk, no ansi plays.
Yeah.
Feeling ko, dito na magkakabatean yung mga bagong carries talaga sa MPL. Full Clip tsaka H2, bantayan nyo yan. Eson, niyayakap ni H2 dito. Overstaying ulit sila para kay Eson dito. Di yun, Mountain Shocker na lang at umaray ang buhay dito ngayon ng mga taga-Next Play.
Napakaganda ng combo noong link ni Eson, the Carmilla with the Mountain Shocker. Sure ball na dalawa yung pwede mong tamaan, but
ganda ng talo ni Rene J para lang to go on to the other side of that Meteor Shower. Meanwhile, members of Next Play Solid knows na wala nang panabumakap kay Dexter dito. Humabol kagad si Paring Eson. Goes for Full Clip. Aba, nag-traceless si Full Clip dito. Baka yun na. Nako, nawala si H2, mga kaibigan. Ininom lahat ni Paring Full Clip. And welcome, tol. Parehas tayo bago dito sa MPL, no? And MB here goes for the last Insanity. Pero syempre, the last pabalik, and that's it. Without any carries here for Next Play, they have to take a breather.
Wow. Yung uhaw na uhaw sa team fight, sana yung Next Play. At ayun, pinainom siya. Sabi dito ng Blacklist International, uhaw ka ba? Eto, ibibigay ko to sa'yo. I just want to commend the combo ngayon dito, Shinbu, ng Yishon Shin at ng Rafaela. Yishon Shin has this mechanic na kailangan mong i-switch yung weapon mo. So with the extra movement speed na meron ka, hindi mo kailangan mag-traceless in. No, may ganun ka pwedeng gawin.
Lalapit ka na lang.
Lalapit ka na lang. That's
tapos,
why
matik glaive mode ka na, di ba?
Nagkakaroon ngayon si Full Clip ng opportunity to proc the crits. Kaya nagmumukhang malambot pa rin si Yawi dito and si si Paring MB. So with this, Blacklist International, what they need to do right now is to discipline themselves. find the right positions. Again, they have the vision and wag lang sila maunahan na parang ganito.
Pero kailangan bantayan pa rin ha. Alam natin kung gaano kalakas manggulang ng next play dito. Pag nahuli talaga si Full Clip, tapos na. Pero kita mo naman si Stars ang ginawa dito ni Aqua. Grabe naman. Tubigin pala yung laro natin. H2 tsaka Aqua, man.
Nakakauhaw talaga.
Wow.
Parang kakapihan ko na eh. Parang mamaya, parang pangkapihan itong laban natin.
no? Ay, nako, tol. Alam mo, hindi na uso yung I love you ngayon. Alam mo ba yun, tol?
Ano na ba uso ngayon, Kuya Shinbu?
Gusto mo ng kape? Ang sarap pakinggan. Tol.
Abangan nyo na pag sinabihan kayo ng ganyan.
Ng kape. Uy, Eson dito. Siyempre pinasimulan. Pedro Airstrike or Lady Bendar. Here comes Renny J. Targeting Full Clip. Makipasala yun. Full Clip in third personal. Nakita siya ni MB. Pumasok si H2 and that's it. Welcome back, tol. Welcome din. At dito si H2 went for the tower dive. Dance around. Lycan pounds palayo. Goes for the human form. Hinabol ni Edward doon. At yun, nakatakas din. Parehas lang tayo ditong baguhan. Tingnan natin kung sinong mas uhaw.
Oh, my H2, that was clutch from the line out rounds. I think yun yung pwedeng maging advantage ng isang farm na hero ni H2.
Yeah.
Dahil he has the opportunity to dodge out a traceless shot, to dodge out a flood, the second skill na meron ng Ishonshin, the Roger's capability to do that with the crits. Let's look at the
Gillette. Not to mention the Lycan Pounce. Easy access talaga eh sa hero eh. Pag sinilip mo dito sa ating Gillette Instant Replay.
Yep. Ayan,
H2.
There you go. The Lycan Pounce to the normal hits. Question Boo. So with that, na-reset yung laban dito. This is next play solid. Sabi nila na, natalo tayo kanina sa early game. Natatalo tayo. Pero try natin sila i-outplay. And dito naman titest ngayon, yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, Shinbu, na chemistry ng next play solid. Paano sila pagdating sa outplay mechanic?
Diba? Ganda ng series, tol. Dalawang tore, magkaparehas pa. Magkaparehas pa kung saan nabasag. Ladies and gentlemen, Eson once again, lagi na lang siya nakakasukap ng damage, pero siguro matutuluyan na. Dexter na hindi ka agad nakabaka. Feathered airstrike na lang dyan. For the back! Naku, hindi pala back! Sugod, sabi dito ni Edward. Aqua Otto, nasaan? Palamig ka muna, mga kaibigan. Full Clip naman. Kapiraman and break the code into the face. Here of next play. They get to take in Yawi and Chester in exchange for Eson.
Nahirapan dito yung next play. Akala nila lamang na sila because of the pick-off na nakuha nila kay Eson. Pero kaya nga siya may esports sa pangalan niya dahil doon sa bait. Pinasarap lang pala ni Eson. Paring Shinbu.
Grabe mambay talaga si Eson eh, no? Eson Esports. Tsaka, kidding aside, Blacklist International has very good range talaga. Ang layo ng nararating nung skills nila.
Meron sa gilid, meron sa harap, meron sa taas.
Daming pwedeng iba to sa'yo. May blood floods, di ba? May meteor shower.
Yes.
Tapos yung Katcha, ultimate, ang ganda ng Avatar of Guardian ha. Akala ko parang hindi sila sync, pero yung pala planado naman.
Planado naman. Actually, kung hindi ganun kataas yung range nila, Shinbu, wala silang makukuha doon. They all thought na mag-isa lang si Edward na pumasok doon. Kala natin, mag-isa lang siya, baka malugi na pala. Pero hindi. From the side, sabi dito ni Aqua, look at this. Look at this. Meteor shower to the face.
Tignan natin ngayon, ha? Ito na nga ba, hindi lang si Full Clip, bantayan nyo rin si Aqua, Child Prodigy din to, Cartoon Heroes, mga kaibigan. Hindi na pinalabas ng base, kinarolingan na yung next play dito. And eto, kakaibang play ngayon, mula kay Renny J, waiting for someone to rotate for the purple buff, pero I think ito na lang, dinenay na lang ni Renny J yung purple buff. Yes. He knows na kung alam nila kung nasaan yung Hellcurt, that's more awkward for him, so now he's going sneaky for the backline.
Shin, actually, I think dito na nag-switch bigla yung next play solid. Bago nangyari yung team fight kanina na nanalo yung Blacklist International, next play solid was doing the next play solid, Renny J, gilid ka lang, tapos kapag ginoo ka, papasok kami. Trinay nilang gawin yon. Naligaw actually ng onte yung Blacklist International kasi hindi nila alam nasan si Renny J kanina. No? Sinigista ka nila eh. Kasi again, binabantayan nila yung side lanes nila. And Hellcurt can pull off a miracle side lane push. Meron siya ditong high and dry. Meron siyang petrify. Kaya niyang pumatay agad kahit sino pa dito sa Blacklist except for Edward. So
ating mga manonood gusto ko lang emphasize sa inyo kung gaano kagit-gitan yung laban ngayon mga tol.
gaano
hindi lang po ang nagsasakalan si Full Clip tsaka si si Full Clip tsaka si H2. Nagsasakalan din si Aqua tsaka si Rene J. I cannot but feel na si Rene J mainit na dugo niyan kay Aqua.
Oo nga.
Feeling ko kasi side lane parehas, and without doubt, if you want to kill the Chang'e, wala iba, use your assassin.
Kailangan talaga niyang makapasok dito ng maganda. Aqua is doing the best he can to position himself right. Aware si Aqua dito kapag nahuli siya ng Petrify, pwedeng end na ng buhay niya. Kaya
grabe, kahit si Edward para aray na rin mga kaibigan, pero ang bilis ng follow-up talaga ng Blacklist International. Look at the cut dito ni Rene J.
Man.
Tamang ano na lang.
Tama, just Rene J thing. This is the Rene J thing.
Tamang dugas lang.
Sabi dito ni MB when I talk to him, Rene J's playstyle talaga is interesting kasi hindi mo to mababasa.
Wow.
Iba eh. Parang minsan nagti-TikTok siya sa gilid eh. Habang naglalaro ng Hellcurt eh.
Meron nga tayong tawag kay Rene J, di ba? Si Rene J Potato eh.
Rene J, ang bagong bomba.
Oo,
ng generasyon.
The most explosive
ML player. At away doon, yung next play solid na ganun ka-explosive si Rene J. At pag sumabog na si Rene J, sasabog din yung mga teammates niya. Pero sabi kasi ng Blacklist International, ayun na, meron kaming pan-diffuse.
Tsaka nagbatian na si Aqua tsaka si Rene J.
Hello!
Alam nila sila talaga yung magtutuos dyan.
Magkaiba playstyle no? Mage, side lane.
Tapos Hellcurt. But look at this again, this is the inhibitor turret push na ng Blacklist International. They have the YouTube chin. Pero clearly, ito na po yung phase talaga ng game na meron ka parang another lifeline, the inhibitor turret push. Of course, lagpas na rin na tayo ng 12-minute mark. We get the Luminous Lord in.
Yeah.
And, ilalaban na next play. Hindi nila basta ibibigay.
Kailangan nilang ilaban to kasi pag hindi nila nilaban tong Lord take na to, may hirapan yung side lane push ni Rene J na doon sila ngayon nagli-lean forward to.
Parang tingnan mo si Rene J. Hanap, hindi siya nagpapakita. Ayaw nila mag-initiate eh. Di nila alam nasan si Rene J eh. Di nila alam. Pwede na tumalon si Edward pero ayaw niya. Hindi talaga nila alam asan si Rene J. Doon nakakabaliw ngayon si Rene J.
That is the story of the night. Nasan si Rene J?
Ako the most explosive.
Oh my God!
Diba? Rene J things.
The reactions of Full Clip, nakita mo kanina yung ginawa niya bago siya mag-second skill, yung bago siya mag-throw ng arrow, bumilip muna siya doon sa bush. He was expecting someone. Sixth sense mula dito kay Full Clip.
Yeah, and that's the problem. Alam nila na wala na si Rene J. Ni-reveal na yung pwesto niya, inilaban. Doon nagkaroon ng problema ngayon dyan.
Wow.
And this is a minion wave, an artillery minion that they can actually juggle in taking the inhibitor turret push.
Wow.
At kapag tinamaan pa't nagkadalan, dito matalo na ni Rene J. Baka tapos na yung laro. Hindi talaga nila si Rene J. That's it. That's the